My name is Pim and I work as a data analytics consultant, and I'm currently working for OLX Indonesia now. Before I started working, I first studied business studies, and after that I did my bachelor and master's in sociology. I think the main challenge of being a data scientist or data analyst is that you have to have a very broad mix of skills. You have to be able to code, you have to be able to know statistics, you have to be good at math, but you also have to understand human behavior, you have to understand a bit about design principles, you have to understand what your clients want, what your stakeholders want. So it's a very broad mix of skills that basically you all have to develop to be a good data scientist. You do have to know some programming languages, SQL, Python, R, and a whole bunch of other ones if you want to progress further. That's the basics. If you don't know that, then it's very hard to do it. But like I said, if you want to be really good at it, then you have to also look broader than just the technical and statistical skills, I think. So it really helps to study marketing or psychology or even design maybe. So yeah, it really helps if you have a very broad skill set. I think in today's modern society, we accumulate so much data, companies accumulate so much data that has so much interesting information inside of it. But to extract that information from that big pile of data, I think that's the key of data science. And yeah, there's a lot of value to be found, but you really have to know where to look and how to extract it, and also how to transform that data and those insights into actions for the company you're working for. Even if that is a big company or a small startup, or you're working as an entrepreneur, yeah, you really have to be able to transform that data into something valuable, and I think that's where the value of data science is. The most interesting project I ever did was I was working for a charity organization back in Amsterdam, and it was really fun working for a charity because it really adds an extra dimension to the work that you're doing. You're not just earning money for a company, but you're also adding something valuable to society. They were trying to recruit or acquire a lot of new people that donated money to the charity. And the project was to find exactly the right amount they should ask to certain people. So I had to do a customer segmentation, I had to find the next best offer for these people. And in the end, almost all of my predictions that came out of my model also turned out to be true when they applied it to their real world case. So that was really a good achievement, I think. And I was even able to help that charity, so it was also very fulfilling. Of course, technical skills are important, but I think a lot of them can be learned. Just like me, my background is in business studies and sociology, so not even physics or math or computer science. I do have a background in statistics and in sociology, but still I think a lot of soft skills are also important. But if you're very creative and you have good ideas about what problems you want to solve with data, then you can always, by putting a lot of effort into it, you can always get to a certain level with coding or statistics or whatever, even if your background is not that technical. Because I think, especially in today's world, there's such a big shortage of data scientists and data-minded people, that there's even a lot of demand for people that are maybe not specifically that technical, but are maybe a bit better in the soft skills. So I think there's definitely room for people that have their expertise more on that side.